Well, folks, it's time to cook. Believe it or not, it is 2012, and guess what? This is the second anniversary episode of Me Go to the North Country Latino. Hello again, everybody. This is, well, you know who, and we are going to make something totally different today, because that's what I like to do. I like to make stuff that's different than I've made before. I've made arroz con pollo, I've made this, I made that. We're going to make pan de mango de nueces y crema agria. Say that real fast. Pan de mango de nueces y crema agria. Translation, mango bread. Yes, folks, it's after the holidays. You probably had all kinds of bread. But have you had mango bread? That I don't know. So I'm going to make it because I haven't, okay? So we're going to start here today. And we're going to take 2½ cups of bread flour. I know a lot of recipes call for all-purpose flour. But you know what? When they got bread flour on the market, why not go for that? Okay? I mean, that stuff is really made for bread, hence the name bread flour. We're going to take some baking powder, and we're going to take in about 2½ teaspoons of that. 2 teaspoons of baking flour. 2 teaspoons, not 2½, excuse me. Baking powder, and then you basically have baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of that. Isn't it nice to have these measuring things these days? Remember when you have to add all the different kinds of spoons? Now you can just measure what you want and put it in, just like this. There goes the baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you're going to take just a pinch of salt. I don't do a lot of salt in my recipes, but when it calls for some, I put in just a pinch. Just a little in your hand, you know? And then it goes. And you're going to kind of mix that together. Take one of these cool hand egg beaters. Mix it together. You're going to add to that about 2/3 cup of sugar, which I never mind doing very much. You know how to get other things in my recipes other than sugar, but when it calls for it, you know, we give it a go. One-third, not 2/3. Beat it together once again. This, my friends, is 1/2 cup of, well, fat-free sour cream. Put that in and beat it in. Now things are starting to stick together a little bit here. Okay. You've got in your possession about 4 teaspoons of melted light margarine. Add that to the whole mix. Also add 2 eggs worth of these fabulous egg beaters. In they go. Now it's really starting to look like a dough, isn't it? Just like bread, you know? Now you're going to add what makes this mango bread. What else? Mango. Take about 1 cup of mango pulp and put it right in there. And then you're going to also have on hand about 7 ounces of chopped pecans, or pecans, your southern and everything. You can add to this now a regular stirring spoon. Now that you've got it pretty much bound together well, you don't have to use a beater anymore. Just get that stirring. And you're going to add finally to it about a handful of raisins. And get out your handy dandy thing of bulk raisins. And stir it all together. Check it out, man. This is going to be one awesome bread. Something for the winter, you know. A little comfort food, different than what you probably had back during the holidays. Nice and moist together. And now, you've preheated your oven to 350. So you take out your handy dandy bottle of non-stick spray. You take a loaf pan, and again, I like these terracotta loaf pans by Pampered Chef. Spray that loaf pan so it's pre-treated. Take your bread, your batter, and put it in the loaf pan. We just went through an awesome batch of banana bread for the holidays ourselves. So this is going to be a nice little change here. Fruity, you know. This is a Cuban recipe. Give them some credit. That in there, spread it evenly, and look at that, ready to go. If that isn't bread ready to be baked, I don't know what is. Take your bread, and into the oven we go. Calls for an hour, so let's see what it looks like when it's done. Holy cow, 0 on the timer. Well, you know what that means. It's done! Time to bring that mango bread out of the oven. Look at that brown beauty. Yum. Well, folks, nothing like starting the year off with something sweet. And this is Miguel Teo, the North Country Latino, saying time to enjoy the winter. Time to enjoy 2012. I hope you do. Time to eat something sweet. Mango bread.